Last night, I observed that the rear tire of Vandana's cycle was flat due to punctured tube.
I wondered what if this happens when I am riding my bicycle in a remote place. So I decided to change punctured tube by myself so that I can learn it.
As Vandana changed the tube, I recorded it in my camera and made a video. This video shows the whole process of replacement of tube in a step-by-step manner. This video can be used as a guide by the amateur cyclist. Of course, I am also an amateur cyclist. Please watch this video and give your feedback.
And that one.
If you feel that this video is useful, kindly like it and share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.